So for my off-season meso cycle, which is about 1 month, um, the rep range for him will be 8 to 20 reps. This varies so much because on certain exercises he can do up to 15 to even 30 reps, but I feel like 8 to 20 is a good rep range to stay in, especially since off-season is not as serious. So, and then the intensity, I'd like for him to stay at 70% to 85% of his 1 rep max, which 8 to 20 reps per exercise stays within that percentage of intensity. So they go hand in hand. And then the goal for each month during the off season would be to gain about 2 to 4 pounds. I'd say about maybe 5 pounds. Um, and that's just to keep on putting on pounds of muscle each month as he goes. And then for his macro cycle off season for the year, same thing with his reps. Will stay 8 to 20 reps for each exercise, and the intensity as well, 70 to 85%. And then the goal for the year would be to gain about 20 pounds of muscle. Um, and I think that is very possible if you gain about 2 to 4 pounds a week. I mean, a month, he can get there.